Nasa ka na Barson, ng Batangas City.
It's me and my 1 hour of sleep against the world. Jesus off. To Batangas! Bag tour. This bag is from Nate Atan. This is for IG. This is from Bog. This is from me. Tapos ito, hindi ko kilala. Ito kay Fiona. Ito kay Meg. Ito kay... Kayo? Ha? Kay Ren to. Tapos ito kay Benen. This is...
Kay Red.
Saan yung sayo?
Ayun, yung Red.
Ito kay Jessica. Hey! We're going. Padala daw. We're going to Calatagan, Batangas. Here are the first moments of us. First moments of us. Wait lang, naka-blur ka. Wait lang. Yan. First moments of us. First moments of us. First moments of us. Stick the middle. Hi, Prince!
Yes, please.
Kami ay nasa physical therapy, reconnection.
It's
Our breakfast. Sa di kami matae. Tapos ano, di kami maihi. Kasi may 4-hour travel pa kami. This is to our versions of ourselves 1 year after. Sa mga kapatid niya. Here's our mother.
I look like, teacher na. Where's your ID? I'm gonna check your ID.
We're in the bus. Gumagalaw na. So, first off, how did we pull this off? Enduring one hell of a semester needs some type of getaway. So nag-agree kaming 11 na mag-ambagan for a beach trip, providing 20 pesos per person each weekday. The plan, which worked, was to collect 220 pesos every day, accumulating to 1,320 pesos. At gagawin namin ito for 14 weeks, wherein early December ang deadline. So you do the math. Of course, we had to keep track, so si Benedict gumawa ng spreadsheet ng expenses. Next, wala pang exact place pero Batangas was the consensus. So naghanap kami sa Facebook and tada! Somewhere in Calatagan, Batangas, may Perez White Beach. Our amazing lead planner Miss Red ang nakipag-usap about everything. Location, cottage, price, and commute. About the commute, ang plan ay mag-meet up sa DLPB bus station in Buendia. Then on, we would travel from Manila all the way to the beach in Calatagan. Then we would do our planned activities, swimming, eating, bonding, and then go back to Manila on the second day. Personally, this will be the farthest I've ever been with my friends, having to take a 4-hour drive to our destination. Tas di pa ako nagpaalam. He. So, ang tanong, with this final plan of our Batangas staycation, G ba ang lahat?
Yes!
And that's where this video takes you. Batangas, here we come! Ben, if yun na, tingin kayo sa taas. Tingin kayo sa taas. Wow. Say hi. Yay. DY Sir Neil.
Ano sabi mo?
We're in Batangas, tapos natin sa Tagaytay, Cavite. Like and share.
Happy birthday, boss! Thank you, guys.
What's the birthday? Anong oras na?
It's 8.
It's 8 8 o'clock, tapos 1 hour estimated na lang yung
Ano oras ba?
matitira going to Calatagan.
Ano oras pa tayo doon?
Mga 9 siguro.
Pero ano oras yung supposedly? Dapat nandun na tayo. Like, yung check-in.
Yeah, kakain pa tayo sa tapos ng pan. Ewan ko dyan kay Benny, nakatayo lang.
Excited ang pwede.
We're here in Calatagan, Batangas. Yung giti ni Bebe. Guys, yung mga gamit nyo, walang nakalimutan. Thank you po, kuya.
Nakalimutan.
Mag-hi po kayo. Hello po. Thank you po. We're here. Yo, so andito na kami. Kakain na. Kakain na kami. We're here in Calatagan City. City ba? City ba? Ayan, Calatagan, Batangas. Oh, sim naka-asando lang. Tour guide namin. Hi! Alam niyo, ang asim nila pero ako yun. Friendly ko pa. What the fuck, Prince?
Hindi ko kaya mag-float. Like, I can move but I cannot float.
Pag ginalaw mo yung kamay mo pa, at the same time, ilulutang ka na dyan. Oo nga, so...
Nandito sila nagko-compute ng budget. Si Fiona kumakain pa. Ito si Megan. She's like me, nakatayo lang. Yung iba umalis sila. Bumili ng pagkain. And dito kami nag-i-enjoy lang. Tapos di pa bayad yung table namin. So yun guys, kinausap namin si Kuya. So imbis na kami mag-tricycle na 300 per punta dun sa resort. Yung negotiate namin is 1-3 balikan na from here to there. Paris White Beach. So yung mangyayari is 650 na lang. Some strategy. Video.
Alin, nasa langit na ba ako? Alin, nasa langit na ba ako? Mama, kayo po ba si San Pedro? Okay lang sa akin kung ako'y debut na. Basta't ikaw ang lagi kong kasama.
We're here at the beach!
Nasa langit na ba ako?
We're free from first sem, second year! That's Bob's our beach boy. Uy, bagay oh! You know. Oh, 1, 2, 3. 1.
At paglabas ko, niyaya ko na siyang pakasal.
Cellphone nyo nababasa dito!
At nasabi may asawa na siya.
So, everyone's doing their own thing. Ito si Megan nagpe-picture. Ako nagiging model of the picture. Kasi sila, gumagawa sila ng necklaces. Yung mga boys dun. Nag-ready na sila ng pagkain. Tapos the other girls and si Earl andun nag-ayos ng rooms. Itong gray, dapat, itong necklace dapat sa darker na shirt.
Hindi, dapat yung cut niya, hindi sakto dyan. Like, ganyan.
Bakit kayo? Dinry ko kanina.
Ayan o, tignan mo, pag nakaganyan. Oh. At yung necklace. Pwede daw.
Oo, sinusot ka,
Yeah, real. Yay! Fiona on her watermelon cutting. May I see? May I try? Mmm! So good! Mmm! The flavors are looking on my tongue. We're waiting for 3 p.m. Naghihintay kami ng 3 p.m. Ang sarap po. Naghihintay kami for 3 p.m. Tapos, mag-vote kami. Tapos, after nun, uwi na. Ay, snorkeling ba?
Meron daw.
Totoo ba?
Ah.
Okay.
Kawawa naman yung mata kong malabo. Wala nang
Tapos,
makikita.
after nun, ano naman, going back here. Tapos, kakain na for dinner. A lot of good things to do here. Bakit kasi yung beach rin eh. Joke lang.
Okay naman.
Okay naman ba?
Huwag mo nga
Medyo
ganyan
ano
sila
siya eh.
pumili niya.
Hindi, bakit ito? Ako nang-introduce na to, gag.
Pero dapat, mapuno na muna natin yung 7K para naka-separate na yung pang-accommodation nila. So, ano
Hindi mag-ano na tayo. Hindi ipunin na yung pang-1K. Para ma-okay na.
Asan yung pera mo? Yung pang-ako.
Tagawan.
Parang reality show naman to, te.
Wait.
Go.
Ito kasi na ano namin, like honest review lang. Teka lang, wag kasi...
We're gonna get ready for island hopping. Tapos magsa-snorkeling ata and make memories. We gotta be adventurous. Ang lalim mo sa Hindi. Hello, we're here. Sige, hawakan niyo ako. May tali ah. Oo, dito kasi sila naka-apply dito sa akin kasi kinakabahan ako sa camera ko and si Chat kinakabahan sa sarili niya. Say one, three, go. One. Titingin. How was it, guys? How was it?
Ako, maalis na dito, ayoko dito. Di ba? Oo.
Red, look, tingin. Yay! Yeah, tapos na. Area 1. Going to Area 2 ata or uwi na. Di ko sure. sabay nito.
Tatlong kayo dance. Sayaw, sayaw!
Kanta. Hey! Puro pilis na binundag sinasabi mo eh. Oh, iba na. Stop niyo yung kanta. Gawin niyo yung traditional na caroling. Araw-araw ay nagiging Pasko lagi.
Mga bis.
Pag-insan mo.
Kung sakali kami permisyo.
Wish you a Merry Christmas.
Ayun na wish you a Merry Christmas.
Namamas ko po.
Pila.
Bigyan mo ng buo.
5 sila eh.
Okay, sige.
Pila kay Nino.
Katatapos lang ng island hopping and snorkeling and just having fun sa Little Boracay. Hey, that's funny. Wow, that's so aesthetic. Ayan. Nag-rest lang mga tao. Nag-rest lang mga tao. They're having fun. Tapos, wala pang nagbabanlaw ata. Ito ata nagbanlaw na.
Si Jose nagbabanlaw.
It's a good day. And a great way to end the day. Kailangan muna namin ng maayos na dinner. They're getting curious sa camera. Uy, ano yan? Feet pics ang pot. Hey, that's so weird. Ay. May shield ako. Hello, I think tapos na lahat at magbandog.
Yeah!
Yes, and then we're waiting for dinner. Our dinner is gonna be good. It's gonna be yempo and soup, and we're just gonna have a good time. We're all doing our own things. Silang dalawa. Then sila, the main cooks. Yeah, there's a big black dog. That's very scary. Yun lang. I haven't filmed the other part, sayang. Yung pag-island hop namin, yung pag-alo ng waves. Pero, I think those memories are, they deserve to be kept in our minds na lang. And hindi sa videos. It's something private.
Umalit lang ganda. Pwede ko siya yung tulog ng talong. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po!
Dahil dyan, sinagay niyo pa mo!
What you have and what you love and what you have and what you love.
Sa pangit ka na problem.
Oh, thunder only happens when it's raining. Play
Kay tagal di kitang minahal.
Bugs, say happy birthday sa camera.
Paubos ng paubos yung ano yung suka. Pero hindi nagagamit.
Ang elito.
Our chef. Say hello, our chef.
Game na.
Master Chef.
Ano may isang point?
Magsabi ka hello.
Gago! What?
Bakit? Hindi naman iba yung tsura mo sa hangover.
There's a girl in town, and word's gonna run. She's just fine.
We're going home.
Each day grows more and more. I'm sure it shows. Where is a bubbling fountain?
Mama Mary.
This is a unique experience.
May problema daw sa bakit ng boss namin. So, yeah.